This is a slightly tricky problem in that we've got to work backwards from knowing the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers, but we don't know one of the numbers. So the number we do know, which is 140, let's break that down into its multiplying prime factors. I write 140 here. It's even, so I can write a 2 here. Dividing 140 by 2, I get 70. It's even again. I divide it by 2 and get 35. I cannot divide it by 2. 3 won't go in. Oh, again, let's pop in the primes. Okay, as I was saying, 3 doesn't go in. 5. Let's try 5. Yes, because it ends in a 5, 5 will certainly go in. 5 goes in 7 times, and 7 is a prime, so we get 7 and a 1 and a 1. So we know that 140 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. And x, similarly, will be numbers that we don't know. Something times something times something times something. Now, they've told us that the HCF is equal to 20, and the LCM is equal to 420. Well, we need to know what factors make up 20. I think it's fairly obvious, but let me just run it down in the way I've shown you here. 20 is even, so a 2 goes here. 10 is also even. 5's a prime, 1, 1. So we know that 20 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5. So we know that 2 times 2 times 5 must be common to both. I can write that x must have these factors as well, because these are the factors you would have grouped. There we are. Well, we're nearly there. Now we can use that shortcut about the LCM. The LCM must equal the HCF multiplied by the remaining factors. Let's call them y. Putting numbers in this equation, we get the LCM. So 420 equals the HCF, which is 20 multiplied by y. Therefore, y is equal to 420 divided by 20, and this equals 2 into 42 goes 21. And without going through any of the rigmarole we've done over here to find larger numbers, 21 is equal to 3 times 7. And they are both in our prime number series. So what does that mean? Well, y were the remaining factors, in other words, the missing factors over here, because we don't know what x goes on to be. Well, we've got one of the two factors that we need in that we've got 7. So all I need to do is multiply x by 3, and we've done it. Yes, those remaining factors, 3 times 7, are now sitting here. So rewriting x, we've got x must be equal to 2 times 2 times 5 times 3. So this is 20 times 3, so this is equal to 60. And that is your answer.